Hi guys, we are now here in Porto, Portugal. So we're having the roasted pork sandwich with the sheep cheese. Cheers. Super sweet. Look at that purple and gold sunset, just like my Lakers, baby. Alright guys, we made it over to the Santa Apollonia station here in Lisboa. It's a train station you take to go over to Porto. For this trip I spent €31 because I just booked it yesterday. But if you book it far enough in advance, like 2 months before, you can get something as cheap as €11. We made it, baby.
Welcome to our train. Let's go to Porto.
Let's do it. Two and a half hours later. Hi guys, we are now here in Porto, Portugal. 2.5 hours away from...
Welcome on down to Northern Portugal, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, welcome down to Portugal. We in the north, baby.
North, king of the
nice
north.
Smooth ride. The Wi-Fi was on point on this. This is probably one of the best Wi-Fi trains I've ever been on.
I can't disagree more. My Wi-Fi didn't work a single time this entire journey.
I had a great Wi-Fi. I don't know what's wrong.
Mine didn't work
Wi-Fi.
on my phone or on my laptop, so I disagree with both of you.
Oh.
Well,
Hi, great
should we go
Wi-Fi.
find the...
Yeah, let's go find the metro. cp.pt, book your tickets through there. Like I said, book it earlier and you get cheaper rates.
Also use our discount code YELLOWCLAT.
Yellow flat for Hostel 1.
Roar, baby.
Dude, what's up?
Roar.
Alright, so once you get to the railway station here in Porto, you have to go over to the metro station, which Steve is doing right now, and buy a metro card. It's 60 cents for the metro card, and then €20 for wherever I'm going, which is the next stop over. So I spent $1.80, not bad. Hey, good morning, Jaycationers. We are now here in Porto, Portugal. That is my hostel room with the boys, and we are headed over onto a walking tour. We're here at Hostel 1, which Steve and Tal are actually sponsoring, or actually doing videos for this trip. It's a great hostel. It just opened up. It's August 2019. It's about 3 weeks old. Beautiful area. Beautiful area. Hey, what's up, man? How you doing? You good?
Hello.
All right. Hola. Hola. All right, let's go downstairs and find the boys.
I love you, I think.
Love you too, Steve.
And then he's like, and I was like, oh, lo siento, mi español es muy mal.
All right, guys, we're going on a walking tour right now.
Okay, guys, we're going on a walking tour
We're
right
here
now.
No, we're going on a walking tour right now.
Kinda, sorta going on a walking tour right now.
Okay, hold on, guys, we're going on a walking tour right now.
With Terry.
With Terry. Tell them about what we did today in the morning.
Oh, we went on a 1 mile run, and Tal hit a great accomplishment. He beat his mile, his personal mile.
My personal mile. We're shaving off those seconds,
What you shaving?
baby.
What else you shaving, my man?
That's all I'm shaving today.
Okay.
I'm not shaving anything else today.
All right. You type in where the Yes Hostel is, there's a new Starbucks here for all y'all Starbucks mug collectors looking for the Yeah mugs, which are right there. And this is Terry. We're trying to look for a walking.
And this is Terry.
We're trying to looking for a walking tour right now, but if we don't, I'll be hosting my own free walking tour, Jaycation Travel Tours. Yeah, I'll bring you guys to the best
How much
port
are you charging
wine.
for your tour?
I just want friendship, Tal,
Wow.
and your acceptance.
That's sweet. That's so sweet of you.
You can learn the entire history of this country in 5 minutes, yeah?
So all the pictures on the tiles, the murals on the tiles here, they explain the history of Porto and Portugal and all the battles that they went through. This is a very famous train station, São Bento, that we were supposed to get into yesterday, but we took the metro here. This theater right here in front of me was designed by the same architect that made the São Bento station that we just went to with all the murals of Portuguese history. We just passed by Rua de Santa Catarina, which is one of the main shopping drags. It's an open air shopping drag where you can find leather goods, fine leather that you can find in products like Dolce & Gabbana and other high-end brands. So they're produced here in the north of Portugal. So if you just go to a normal leather store and buy shoes, the quality is going to be just as good as Dolce & Gabbana, and you might even pay less for those shoes. Our walking tour took us over to the original walls, the original city walls of Porto. And it's right here behind me. It's a little bit off the center and near the river, with nice views of the Douro River. Walking tour guide was telling us that this bridge is said to have been made by Eiffel.
One more time from the top now. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 15, 21, 28.
Action. So our walking tour guide said that Eiffel made this bridge, but it's not true. They might have hooked up some of the parts of this bridge, his company, the Eiffel company. It's not really made by Eiffel. The Eiffel Bridge in Girona, though, really is made by Eiffel. Right behind me is the beautiful Douro River, and on to the left side is the wine cellars of Porto.
And my name is Calvin.
And flashback, because I can't do the SpongeBob stuff anymore. So flashback to when me and Mari were down there in the wine cellars. This is like a really nice relaxing boardwalk with all the wineries next to us.
Monastery, etc., was exactly by that big program of reconstruction from Salazar.
So we just left the walking tour. This is where they used, well, this is contraption right here is where they used to hang people, public hangings back in the day, but they used it as a reminder now that this used to happen during the dictatorship times here in Portugal. These are our new friends from California. You guys ever been to California before? In San Francisco? Well, that's where they're from.
What's up?
Subscribe to her channel.
I don't
No, she
have
doesn't
one,
have a channel.
but follow me on IG.
There you go.
We'll save that. We'll put it in the links.
Expose that shit, Terry.
Dang it, maybe look this way over here. Pretend like another guy. Oh, now look right at me. Give me that smile. Yeah, that's it right there. Oh.
Smile and wave.
Keep going. Look natural. There you go. I'm beautiful. That's good.
It's better turn out better than it felt.
Super excited for my first Super Bock back in Portugal.
That is happy as happy guys.
Introduce yourself.
I'm Sana from,
And you're our housemate.
yes, I'm your roommate, room 304 for life. I'm from Los Angeles, and these are the best 2 weeks of my life.
I'm glad you're having a great time.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
You gotta go wait for a
Cheers.
The best sangria I've ever had
I hate this part of the job.
in my
It's
life.
probably the worst part.
2 very enthusiastic thumbs up.
Getting warm food and having
If they meet me up in Barcelona in like a few days, I'll give them the best sangria ever. So we're having the roasted pork sandwich with the sheep cheese and the bata frita, the French fries. And they have a hot sauce, and you all know I got that hot sauce on that bag swag with the Super Bock.
I was waiting for that.
Should we get a little cheers
Bag
on?
swag.
Cheers, friends. Cheers. Cheers. Happy birthday to Steve, everybody.
Happy birthday.
So last time we were here, I had this like the night I got to Lisbon. I had this the night I got to Lisbon. It was already cold, and I'm having it nice and fresh now. I can smell the sheep cheese. It's nice and pungent. And then we got this hot
I got
sauce.
at least 27. You gotta look
Ooh,
at
baby.
You gotta do that. To
What'd it do?
What is that? What are those?
What are those? So I'm gonna ask my new friends what they think about this pork sandwich here at Casa Guedes.
I don't remember what I did.
Good fries,
Good people.
good friends, good fun.
And cry?
And I'm gonna cry.
They're waiting for their turn.
It was good. Bomb.com.
So my hard drive was starting to fail on me, so I had to run into FNAC and grab an emergency external hard drive. Gotta save my footage because I can't bring you guys these videos without saving my footage. The beautiful cable cars on the way down to the Port Wine Cellars here in Porto. Awesome views. €6 one way, €9 round trip. But usually I just get the one way for $6 and then just walk back across the bridge on the lower part.
No, we're just gonna ride all the way open and jump out.
Jump out. This is the original color of all red port wines, right? Vintage and LBV stick to this color, but Tony Port develops this light brown color, brownish color, amber color. We have our table wines made of the same grapes as our port wines, but the difference here is that these ones had a full fermentation.
It's wine tasting time.
It matches with dry fruits, nuts, salty appetizers, right? Tonic port.
So me and my dad bought a 2016 a couple years ago, and it was only €29. Now it's 55 because it's aged. That's vintage vino for you. The traveling Klatzage. He was born in 1996. This is a 1996, just as old as he is. He was kind enough to let me try it. I like it. Some old wine right there.
I tasted vintage 30. It's not nearly as sweet as the other ones. Very, very smooth, I think, is the way to describe it. It's pretty good.
So this is a 30, not a vintage 30, just 30 years old. 1989, just like my girl T Swift. What up?
That was the most Jaycation.
So it's really cool coming back to this place and revisiting the wine cellars. Really got to appreciate this a lot more this time around. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little wine tour, Quinta dos Corvos. Love how this whole room is lit with all the wine barrels right here. Enjoyed it, really enjoyed it. Even though all the wine cellars are here, the port wine cellars are here on this side, this is Vila de Gaia on the other side of the Douro River, looking at the beautiful city of Porto. And then there's your bridge right there that people do jump off the bottom tier. And I think my boy Stevie is gonna do a jump there later. All right, fellas, so what did you think about the port wine?
Oh, it's delicious sometimes.
It's a great tour.
Really sweet, €5, worth doing. You get 2 wine tastings and a nice tour at Quinta dos Corvos. Steve's eyeing the guy that's about to jump off the bridge.
That's gonna be me soon.
Ganda!
That's insane, dude. That is insane. So it's about 5 in the evening. We're back in our apartment or hostel. Check this out.
Hostel 1, baby. Use our discount code. Crab is in the credge.
What's the real discount code?
Yellow Clat.
Such a beautiful view out here. Look at this. Last time we were here in Porto, I ate at Cafe Santiago F for the Francesinha. Today we're gonna try Lado B.
Lado B. Lado.
So unfortunately this place is closed, but they do have a vegan option for a Francesinha and a normal one. Too bad we can't try it. Here at Republicca dos Cacchoros, sorry if I'm saying it wrong, having a super Bock and the Portuguese hot dog that's sliced up with ham and cheese. Let's have a bite. Nice and crispy. Portuguese sausage has like a unique taste to it. It's a nice like midday snack. It's enjoyable. This is the steak sandwich right here. They say it's a steak sandwich on the menu, but it's pork. Dude, there's mini Steve right there. Steve just did his jump. Successful jump, so I didn't record because I had to make sure we got the perfect shot for Steve's vlog. So go over to Steve Yallow's channel and check it out. Intel's channel. They got the footage of him jumping. It was awesome.
3, 2, 1.
Steve's back with his camera with this beautiful Porto sunset. Look at that purple and gold sunset, just like my Lakers, baby. Alright, so that was an awesome sunset from Porto, Portugal. Here with Mr. Yallo, Mr. Tal. He's flying his drone right now. Great day here in Porto. So if you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this content. Yellow Clatcation Travels.
Yellow Clatcation Travels.
Peace.